Hi, everybody. It's a pleasure to reconnect. Today, we're in the stunning landscapes of Sweden, exploring Trelleborg's industrial hub. Established in 1905, Trelleborg is a global industrial conglomerate that spans aerospace, marine engineering, agriculture, and more. The vast grounds it occupies have made manual equipment inspections challenging, especially during scorching summers. Luckily, smart photovoltaics offer a solution. Let me present the Solis 80-110K 5G inverter, a game-changer for Trelleborg. By choosing our inverters, Trelleborg has improved power generation efficiency and made maintenance easier. In addition, this solution also enables smart monitoring through 4-curve scanning, boosting operational efficiency and saving substantial manpower. Stay tuned for more insights into our commercial and industry PV solutions. Thank you for joining us, and see you next time.